Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Netflix on laptop and PC. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. And then here, click the start menu and search for the Microsoft Store. And once you're in the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type Netflix. And from the search result, click Netflix app. Then after that, tap Get or Install button and wait for it to download. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And after the installation, click Open and find the Netflix in your Start menu. Now simply sign in with your Netflix account or create one if you don't have yet. And that's it. You can now watch Netflix directly on your laptop or PC using the official app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.